Hi, good morning everyone. Mag-almusal na tayo guys. Ayan, may binili akong hotdog. Hotdog sandwich guys. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-almusal bago umalis. Mag-aalas 10, magte-10 o'clock na guys. Wala pa kaming almusal. Kaya ayan, almusal tayo ng hotdog. Yung pinagbilhan ko ng hotdog guys, dalawang binili ko, ang binigay na sauce, pang isa lang. Ang nangyari, makikishare ako ng sauce dito sa asawa ko. Yun nga pala guys, dun sa mga nag-follow na sa akin, so pasensya na po kayo at hindi ko pa po kayo mapapalo ba kasi hindi pa po ako pwedeng mag-follow ngayon, mag-follow back. Hindi ko nga po alam kung anong nangyari sa account ko. So, hintay-hintay lang po kasi babalikan ko po kayo. Ang ginagawa ko na lang po ngayon sa mga hindi ko na follow back, malupitang engagement na lang po muna ang gagawin ko sa inyo. Mag-iwan lang po kayo ng bakas at papasukin ko po ang mga bahay ninyo guys. Promise po yan.
Thank you for being you.
Alam nyo ba, dumating kami kanina dito, napakadaming tao.
You are my dream come.
Daming namamasyal dito. Maganda kasi ang view. Napakaganda. Hindi ko inaakala yung nakikita ko na ganito kaganda. Grabe guys, mas maganda dito pag dumating kayo mga 5:30, yung lalabas pa lang yung araw, yung makikita nyo yung pagsikat ng araw guys. Yun daw ang pinakamaganda dito. Kaso dumating kami dito 7 o'clock na kaya hindi na namin nakita yung paglabas ng haring araw. Di bali, babalik din kami dito guys.
It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I will never let you go. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend, I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and
So, ayun na nga guys, nakaramdam na ako ng busog. Parang hindi ko na maubos yung kinakain ko. Kaya, isi-share ko na lang yung pagkain ko sa asawa ko. Kasi hindi ko na kaya. Busog na ako guys. Laki kasi nung hotdog sandwich.
I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark, unsaid world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say.
So, ayun, pa-picture muna tayo guys. Ay, hindi. Video pala to. Ayun. Kunting lambing sa asawa. Dahil busog na. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa mga video ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga sulit na talagang nakikipag-engage. Thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye guys.